I took the flower centerpiece from the VIP Style Awards home.
That's... Stealing is bad, but have you liberated something when you have been on holidays?
We've all done the toiletries in a hotel. And don't say you haven't. My cousin was visiting from the States and we did our tour of the Guinness Brewery, as you do. They liberated a pint glass for each of us. Her husband, 2 kids, me and herself.
Mark stole the silver tray that James Brown was having a cup of tea on. Oh, no
there it
way.
is.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
look at that.
That's brilliant. James Brown, the James Brown. Wow, that's fabulous. Yeah. Margaret said we brought 6 glasses home from the 1980 Rosa Tralee Dome.
Do you have the...
Oh, there's the glasses.
Oh, my God.
I love...
Oh, look at the rose on them.
The rose on them.
Oh, back
now,
at a
do you know what I did last Friday?
Right, what?
Go on.
I took the flower centerpiece from the VIP Style Awards home.
That's...
I told you this is why they love it.
They told me we could take them because they were all going to be thrown out. These beautiful flower centerpieces.
What, you walked out with it under your arm?
The next day.
They were all dead.
No, the next day. They said they were going to beautiful white roses in a bowl. I sent Carl down to get it.